You may have heard some buzzwords floating around recently. Things like the Rorschach test or AI will replace designers. There's a lot of talk about AI and its impact on our creative economy. Some say it could change how we work forever. Others think it's just a passing fad. Here's the thing, AI isn't going away and it's not going slow. It's evolving fast and it's poised to dominate creative fields. We can either fight this trend or we can get ahead of it. And speaking as a professional designer, creator, and business owner, I don't mind being replaced by robots if they make my life easier and save me money. See, creative software is getting expensive. Adobe, Final Cut, Pro Tools, subscription fees add up to hundreds every year. But what if I told you there are AI tools in 2025 that can replace most of them and many are free? Or dirt cheap? Today, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that rival the pros, and by the end, you'll know which ones to try for your next project. Let's kick off with tool number 1. This one's gonna blow your mind. I'm talking about Runway, an AI platform that lets you edit videos and do VFX like never before. Now here's the kicker, no advanced editing skills needed. Let me show you. Say you've got a video clip and you want to put a nice smooth blur in the background. No problem. Highlight the area you want blurred, hit mask, select subject, and bam, done. You can also go wild with their eraser tool and get rid of those pesky power lines or whatever else you need to remove from your shot. Don't worry if you have no idea what I just said. All you really need to know is that Runway makes complex editing tricks easy peasy. But wait, it gets better. You can even generate AI art to use as backgrounds. Just click Create and then Image. Choose between single image or multi-image. Pick your size and description and press Generate. For example, I've asked for something cool and vibrant. So now I've got this sick background I can use as a backdrop. What's awesome is that I can mix and match different elements to make something truly unique. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, just click on Export Video and you're good to go. Plus, it's all browser-based. You don't need any fancy software. Best of all, most of these features are free. They do have a pro plan, but it's only $15 a month. And if you're serious about creating videos, it's totally worth it. Next up, let's talk about making killer music. So you know how normally you'd need expensive software like Logic Pro or FL Studio, right? Well, not anymore. Meet Suno AI and Iva. These tools let you generate music just by typing a few words. How crazy is that? Let me show you. You head over to the website and select your desired output length. Let's go with 60 seconds. Then you pick the genre. I'm feeling some lo-fi vibes today. Next, describe the mood. How about cinematic and melancholic? Then pick the instruments. I'm down with piano and strings. And voila, the AI composes a full track right before your eyes. And you can listen and download it completely free. Now you might be wondering, is it any good? And I'm here to tell you it's seriously impressive. It's not gonna replace Beethoven, but for modern beats and instrumentals, it's pretty darn close. And if you want to switch things up, you can easily remix the track with different moods or genres. Plus, you can download stems, which are individual audio files of each instrument. That way you can mix and master the track like a pro. AIVA offers similar functionality. Their standout feature is the visualizer, where you can adjust various parameters such as harmony, rhythm, and more. Both tools offer premium plans for commercial use, but honestly, the free versions are enough for most people. Now let's talk digital art and illustration. Gone were the days of toiling over layers and masks in Photoshop. Enter Midjourney, an AI tool that takes your text prompts and turns them into breathtaking artwork. You've probably seen those jaw-dropping images floating around the internet. Yep, those are made by Midjourney. And here's how it works. You head over to the website and type in your prompt. For example, let's go with cyberpunk cityscape at night, then hit generate and watch as the AI paints a masterpiece before your very eyes. It's like having an artist at your fingertips. And if you like what you see, you can upscale it for printing or other uses. Plus, you can create variations of your favorite pieces with a simple click. The coolest part, you can join their Discord server and hop into one of their many newbie channels. Here you can post your prompts and see other users' creations. It's super fun and you can discover some seriously talented artists. You can access Midjourney for free with basic commands, but for more options, including commercial use, they've got to affordable plans. Honestly, it's so good that it's already giving established artists a run for their money. Okay, so you're rocking a podcast or video and you need to clean up the audio. Say no more to tedious editing. Descript has you covered. It's a tool that lets you edit audio and video with the power of text. Seriously, it's like magic. Check this out. You upload your audio file and the script transcribes it, turning your voice into text. Now you can edit your script like you would in a word processor. Delete some words and boom, it's gone from the recording too. No more struggling with waveforms. If you need to remove a cough or an it's literally a matter of deleting text. And here's the cherry on top. You can also generate voiceovers using your own voice. How cool is that? Simply type in your script, highlight it, and hit record voiceover. The script then uses AI to clone your voice and reads the text for you. It's not perfect, but it's seriously impressive and it saves you tons of time. Plus, it's got loads of other features like removing background noise or changing the speed of your voice. And guess what? You can use most of these features for free. They do have a paid plan with more advanced features, but the free version is enough for most people. Alright, wrapping up our list is Canva AI. You know how working with a graphic designer costs an arm and a leg. Well, Canva changes all that. It's a tool that puts design power in everyone's hands. Even if you suck at design, don't worry, Canva's got you. Take a look at this. You can generate entire logos with just a few clicks. You type in your prompt like modern minimalist logo for bakery, and Canva AI spits out several options for you. And you can customize anything from colors and fonts to shapes and icons. Or here's another example. Let's say you want to make some social media posts for your new restaurant. Just type restaurant menu Instagram post and Canva AI does the heavy lifting. You can preview the design, make tweaks, and then download it ready to rock. And the best part, you can generate as many designs as you want with their free plan. It's crazy how powerful this tool is and how much it simplifies design work. So there you have it, folks. 5 AI tools that can replace some pricier industry standards. But remember, AI isn't here to wipe out jobs. It's here to help us do our jobs better and faster. So keep learning, keep growing, and stay ahead of the curve. And if you want to learn more about AI tools, check out my latest video on 5 AI tools that can level up your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.